In this video, you'll learn how to analyze market data using Kimi AI. The process involves several straightforward steps to ensure you can effectively utilize this tool for data analysis. Begin by navigating to the Kimi AI website. Open your preferred web browser and enter the Kimi AI URL. Once you reach the home page, you will see various options and features offered by the platform. Ensure you are on the correct page before moving forward. Next, look for the prompt area. This is typically located prominently on the main interface. Click on the designated area to initiate your interaction with Kimi AI. This action will allow you to enter commands for data analysis. After that, locate the plus icon, often represented by plus sign. Clicking this icon will present you with options to add additional elements to your request. This step is crucial for attaching files necessary for your analysis. Now, proceed to click on the option labeled Attach Files. This will open a file browser window. It is important to have your market data file readily available on your device. Make sure the file format is compatible with Kimi AI to avoid any issues during the upload. Once the file browser window appears, choose the specific file you wish to analyze. Take a moment to check the file size, as larger files may take longer to upload depending on your internet speed. After selecting the file, click on the Open button to confirm your choice. Following the file selection, return to the prompt area and click on it again to prepare for your command. This step ensures that Kimi AI is ready to receive your instructions regarding the uploaded data. Next, type in the command Analyze Market Data in the prompt area. This command will instruct Kimi AI on what to do with the file you have uploaded. Ensure there are no typos in your command to avoid confusion in processing. Finally, wait for Kimi AI to generate the analysis. The platform may display a loading indicator or progress bar during this time. Depending on the complexity of the data and the size of the file, this may take a few moments. Be patient while Kimi AI processes your request. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.